I would say the motivation of people working on freshwater issue to actually together make a difference for the implementation of a key policy, which is a nature restoration regulation. You could feel in the room the intention of together making a difference, and I think this was the key output for me from this workshop. So yes, we did develop a really interesting recommendation, and what I actually enjoy very much is at the end we were asking them how are they willing to actually contribute to make those recommendations happening, and all the room moved towards the active part of those recommendations, so meaning that they are all interested to make those recommendations actionable. So it was a really nice, I think, message of this workshop, the enthusiasm, the motivation, the realization that we are at a juncture, at a time, and that it's now that we need to be active for the nature restoration regulation, and the freshwater community is ready. So this workshop confirmed the importance of the science service. It confirmed the function that we are putting in place for the science service, the knowledge exchange network. We are in here. This workshop show the importance of collaboration, coming together on a similar topic. Here was talking about freshwater and the implementation challenges of the nature restoration regulation regarding the freshwater target, and being together, thinking collaboratively on how we could tackle those challenges, bring the importance of this long-term perspective of network, of topical network. So get engaged in the knowledge exchange network for freshwater, or if you are interested in other knowledge exchange network, we have 17 others. What I would like to tell the community based on this workshop, we need more of those workshops, more of those what we call science policy interface dialogue. We need to bring together key stakeholders around the table that need to discuss the challenges that prevent us today to see a future for the nature restoration regulation, or to ensure that the nature restoration regulation will be fully implemented. Being together in the same room, discussing those key challenges, make it a wind of hope that we actually hold together can ensure that the nature restoration regulation can be implemented, and not in a time frame that passed 2050. I would say that to the community, you need come and get engaged in those dialogue workshops that the science service is going to put in place on different topics. You need to get engaged to see those challenges to be tackled.